Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unblock someone on TikTok that you have previously blocked, of course. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile. We're going to do that by selecting the icon in our bottom right corner that says profile. Next, we're going to select the three stripes in our top right corner. And here, as we can see, the three options we have, we're going to select the last one, settings and privacy. Here we're going to select the second option we have right below account, privacy. We're going to scroll way down because blocked accounts is the last option. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. As you can see, we have blocked one user and we want to unblock her. So we're going to go ahead and click on the unblock button. We're going to go back and she's unblocked. Let's go ahead and click on blocked accounts again to check. No blocked accounts. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!